What is up, guys? We have formed this huge gap on the CME futures chart, and I do believe we're going to have to fill it in the next few days. Why is this? Because we have formed 5 waves on the hourly chart, and from the Elio theory, we have to have a huge correction after doing the 5th wave. And in today's news, we're going to take a look. Is that you, Satoshi? $12 million in Bitcoin suddenly spent after lying dormant for 10 years. And if you like this content, you better stay till the very end. Hello and welcome back to Bitcoin Sensors, where you subscribe for almost daily content on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency and the financial markets. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. As you can see here, we've created this CME futures gap, and I do believe we have to be filling it in the next few days. And as I said at the beginning of the video, this is because we have created 5 waves from the Elio theory. And as you can see here in the picture, is that when we create the 5 wave, we usually have like an A, B, C correction that we are going to do in the next few days. I do believe this will happen, and it will be done to fill the gap, as you can see here. And the gap is around about the $11,100 levels, as you can see here on the CME futures chart. And after filling the gap, I do believe we're going to go and look at the $12,000 levels. In the next few days, we'll be climbing up to the $12,000 levels. Maybe there is a chance that we can break this support and continue down, because the bad news here is if we go into the daily chart, we can see that if I use the tool, the Fibonacci extension, or even if we go to the weekly chart, from this downtrend here, if we use the Fibonacci extension, we can see from the top here to the very bottom, we can see that we are just hitting the golden pocket at 62% of the retracement. And usually when we hit the golden pocket, we go down from the same wave. So we do the wave, we go to the golden pocket, and then we go straight back down again. I can show you a clear example here from the $20,000 peak. We go from this peak here down to $3,000 level, and on the retracement we perfectly hit the golden pocket here at 62% and went straight down after that. So this is a possibility too. This is my bearish scenario, but I do believe we're going to hit the $12,000 levels. And for the news of the day, is that you, Satoshi? $12 million in Bitcoin suddenly spent after lying dormant for 10 years. Scrolling down to the news, $12 million in Bitcoin that was created back when Satoshi Nakamoto was still actively involved with the top cryptocurrency just came to life after being dormant for a decade. According to blockchain data tracking bot BTC Parser, 1,050 BTC mined back in 2010 was spent on October 11th in 21 separate transactions worth 50 BTC each. As you can see here on the blockchain, yesterday was the transaction on the 11th of October. We can see the address and also the date where it hasn't been moved since. All these 50 Bitcoin transactions, we can see it on the blockchain. And if you're new in crypto and Bitcoin, you're probably wondering, who is Satoshi Nakamoto? It is the person or group of person that anonymously created Bitcoin. Scrolling back to the news, crypto analytic firms and independent analysts have tried to trace movement involving early stage Bitcoin to try and determine whether it could be owned by Nakamoto. Blockchain analysts believe that the mysterious BTC creator mined a total of 1 million Bitcoin beginning with the initial 50 BTC reward for the Genesis block in January 2009. The most recent transfer is the third batch of Satoshi era BTC to move this year. Earlier this month, 50 BTC mined in May 2010 was believed to have been sent to crypto exchange Bitfinex. In May, 50 BTC mined all the way back in February 2009 moved after remaining inactive for 11 years. In this case, a closer look reveals that one wallet, which was created on the same day the decade-old Bitcoin were moved, received 1,000 BTC worth over $11.3 million. The wallet in question subsequently emptied its coffers through a flurry of transactions worth about 10 BTC each, according to blockchain.com, with the exception of a transfer worth 200 BTC. The remaining 50 Satoshi era BTC that also moved on Sunday were transferred to a wallet that contains over $22 million in Bitcoin, according to data from BitInfo charts. So was that Satoshi Nakamoto? Was that the creator of Bitcoin that yesterday moved almost $12 million worth of Bitcoin? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, feel free to look at the Bitcoin Sensor's website. You've got incredible tutorials on how to buy Bitcoin, how to store Bitcoin, even how to trade Bitcoin. You've got the latest news and you've got incredible bonus on exchanges here. So feel free. I will leave the link in the description so you can check it out. Guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you liked the content. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.